In front of me is Black Shark Pad 7, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. All you need to do is open two apps you wanna use in this view in the background. So I will tap on Chrome, select Home button, click on, for example, Clock, and tap on Home button as well, or on this button at the bottom right corner to go into the background apps right away. Wherever you decided, make sure to have both apps you are interested in running in the background. Then click on the icon of one of them, this one available at the top, and when you see this pop-up, select split screen. Then tap on a second app, and after a few seconds, enjoy using both at once. Now, to go back from this view, you can go back into the background and swipe both of your apps like you would any other one. You can also hold this line in the middle. This line can be used to resize your apps in split screen, but also when you hold it and drag it all the way to the right or to the left, you can exit split screen, staying with only one app opened, and close this one by clicking on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!